Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how to buy Airbnb shares. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. For this you're gonna need another apps like eToro, Wellboo, Stocks, Robinhood Wallet, etc. Whatever platform you use to trade, that's fine. Well, I'm gonna show you from a website here. Go to etoro.com or any other website that you trade from. There on the search bar, type in Airbnb and tap on it. There you're gonna see overview of the share of Airbnb, its chart and analysis. Well, you have to do a thorough review. Once you look at the overview, chart and analysis, make up your mind, choose a date, and all you have to do is tap on trade and pay up the price that they're offering. And guys, that's it. That's how you buy Airbnb shares. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.